Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to search for items on Stockx. So the site itself is very easy to go through. It's very detailed so you can't get lost. So the first thing that you will be looking for is the search bar. This is something that you will be looking for in case you had an item already in mind and you want to search for it specifically. For example, I would like to get a Nike Air Force. I would simply go here and write it down. So this is in case I had something in mind and I'm going to buy it. So I want this one. I'm going to click on it directly. But what if you want to see the actual menu? You want to see what this site has to offer to you and you will eventually decide later. So first of all, you need to decide what you're looking for. Are you a woman? Are you a man? Are you looking something for kids? Sneakers, shoes, apparel, accessories, collectibles, trading cards, more. So you need to decide first what you're looking for. In case you didn't really have any idea what you're looking for, you can search even by brand. For example, I would like to go with Adidas. So I'm gonna click on here, I'm gonna go to Adidas, and then from there I would go and edit my filter. So I could go and sort by either the price or the release date, this category. What do you want really? Is it a shoe, sneakers, basically like a hoodie? What am I looking for exactly? So here you can search. Here you can search by. So you can search by either the price, featured, etc. And also here you can check if it is available or out of stock. So I'm gonna check this for example to see only the things that are available now that I can buy. And here I can choose, for example, even the color, the price. Here I can choose it. So you can choose exactly which price you would look for. Here, the product line. For example, you would like Harden, Yeezys. You want Ultra Boost, Superstar. There is many type of lines that the Adidas makes. So you can, in case you were looking for a specific one, you can choose it from here. And here the model. 2025, the newest one, the old one, a certain one. So you can search for it all in here. It's very easy and simple. So you just have to go to the site and basically go and simply click on the buttons that you find depending on what you like. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.